Hello friends. In this video we are going to find the solution for an HackerRank problem count triplet. Carefully observe the question properly. To make it even more clearer, do solve for those inputs given. Check whether you get correct output for those corresponding inputs. Let's start to code. Let me use the sample input given in the question. Follow with me for the code. We are going to import a tool named defaultDict. The defaultDict tool is a container in the collections class of Python. It's similar to the usual dictionary container, but it has one difference: the value field's data type is specified upon initialization. The behavior of defaultDict can be easily mimicked using dict. We are going to declare a variable named d1 as a default dictionary of data type int. And also a variable d2 of the same data type int. Make a for loop within the list of reversed a. Make an if condition within the for loop to check whether each I into R element is present in D2. Initialize a variable count to 0. Initialize a variable count to 0. Increment the count value for each time the value I into R present in D2. Also for each time the value of I into R present in D1. Increment the value of D2 with the key value I with. With the corresponding value in the D2 of key value I into R. Also increment the value of D1 of key I by 1. So far so good. Print the value of count now. Yeah, there. We got the correct output. Let me show the values of D1, D2, and count, for each iteration within the for loop. By observing the result obtained out of each iteration, you will now understand how it works. Try to work with the codes. And also have that eagerness to know how you obtain those results. Let's now run our code in Hackerrank IDE to check whether it works for all test cases within the time. Let's paste the code. Align the code properly. Import the necessary tools. Instead of print, just return the value of count. Let's now run the code. Awesome. It passed all the sample test cases given. Let's now submit our code. Successfully, it passed all the 12 test cases. Great guys. Keep coding and thanks for watching.